In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a block on Squarespace. Welcome everyone. If you've been wondering how to enhance the navigability and functionality of your Squarespace website by linking blocks to other pages or content, you're in the right place. This straightforward guide will take you through each step to ensure you can easily link a block within your website without any hassle. First things first, let's dive into the Squarespace platform itself. You'll need to visit the Squarespace website to get started. Once there, you'll see an option to log in. Click on that. For those of you who use multiple services from Google, the next step simplifies your login process significantly. Simply click on Continue with Google and choose the Google account you wish to log in with. This feature is particularly useful as it keeps you from having to remember another set of login credentials. Now that you're logged in, the real work begins. You'll need to navigate to your website's dashboard. Typically, you can find this by visiting the main account page where all your site projects are listed. Click on your specific website to proceed. Upon accessing your website, look for an option to edit your site. This is where the magic happens. The edit option can sometimes be hidden or not immediately obvious, so take your time to familiarize yourself with the layout of the dashboard. Ready to add a new link to your page? Perfect. The next step is finding and clicking on Add Block. Squarespace's design interface is quite intuitive, so you should see this option as you're editing the page. Choosing the content link from the available block types is the key action here. This option is what allows you to create links within your website to other content or pages. After selecting the content link, you'll see various options for configuring this block. The interface is pretty straightforward, allowing you to search and select the content or page you wish to link. Once you've found the right content or page, it's time to embed the link directly into your block. Click Edit on the content link block to customize it further and ensure it directs visitors exactly where you want them to go. After adjusting your settings and ensuring everything looks perfect, you're almost at the finish line. The final step is, of course, saving your changes. Look for a Save button to secure your new link. With that saved, you've successfully added a linked block to your Squarespace site. Not only does linking content make your site more navigable, but it also enhances user experience by making related content easily accessible. Squarespace's user-friendly interface makes this a breeze. But remember, the key to a great website is ongoing experimentation and tweaking. Don't be afraid to try different types of links and layouts to see what works best for your site's aesthetic and functionality. And there you have it, folks. You now have all the knowledge you need to start linking blocks on your Squarespace site. This small but impactful adjustment can make a significant difference in how visitors interact with your site, providing a smoother and more intuitive user experience. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and most importantly, keep creating. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on making the most of your Squarespace website. Happy designing!